the story of my life. I give her hope, I spend her love until she's broken inside.
We're practicing graphing lines in slope-intercept form again on tonight's homework. Once again, the general form of an equation given in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. If we write the equation for problem number 6 below that general equation, y equals negative 3/2 x plus 3, we can easily identify m as negative 3/2 and b as positive 3. Once you have b, once you have the y-intercept, you can immediately plot one of the points on the line, because the y-intercept is where the line intersects the y-axis. So the y-axis is here, it intersects at positive 3, so we know there's a point right here. We also know that the slope is a downhill slope based on this negative slope. So it goes something like this. We just don't know exactly how. We have to apply this slope. Use everything you know about slope to try to plot the next point. Just start at this point that we just plotted and then apply this slope, negative 3/2. Do that during the pause and then come back and check your work.
Paused.
Remember, slope is the change in y over the change in x. So in order to get negative 3/2, we can either have negative 3 over 2, or we could have 3 over negative 2. Negative divided by positive is negative, and positive divided by negative is negative. Either one of these will find, applying the slope in either one of these ways will give you a point on the line. And I'll show you both ways just to prove that it works either way. We could say that our change in y is negative 3, so our vertical change is down 1, 2, 3. That puts us at the origin, and then the change in x is positive 2, so we would move to the right 1, 2. So this is a point on the line, and I could draw the line now, but I also want to show you we could have used the slope this way and still got the same result, because if we start at our y-intercept and the vertical change, the change in y is positive 3, we would move up 1, 2, 3. But now the change in x, the horizontal change, is negative 2, so we need to move left 1, 2. And I think you can see that point would also be on the line. If I graph the line, it goes through all of these points. So that's the line. It's going to intersect this letter H. And so at the bottom of the paper, anywhere you see the number 6, you put an H. I think there's only one, but for some of the other problems, for example, number 8, there's more than one place where the 8 occurs in the puzzle, so you can fill in the puzzle with the letters to answer the riddle. Thanks for watching the homework help video. See you tomorrow.